Have you ever wondered if you could get rid of rats, mice, cockroaches, spiders, bedbugs, mosquitoes, ants, and other household pests simply by plugging a small device into the wall? That's exactly what the PestPro Pest Repeller promises. But the real question is whether those bold claims actually hold up under closer inspection. After examining the product, its advertising, and the available evidence, the picture is far less convincing than the marketing suggests. PestPro Pest Repeller is promoted as an ultrasonic device that supposedly drives away more than 14 different types of pests without using chemicals, traps, or professional extermination. While ultrasonic technology does exist, there is currently no strong, peer-reviewed scientific evidence proving that this specific device can consistently eliminate or repel such a wide range of pests in real household conditions. One of the biggest concerns is its claim to deal with bed bugs, as existing research has not shown ultrasonic devices to be a reliable solution for bed bug infestations. Another issue is the marketing itself. The website features impressive sales numbers, thousands of positive reviews, and eye-catching promotional images. But some of these reviews appear questionable, while certain visuals look AI-generated or heavily edited. The site also relies on permanent discounts, countdown timers, and urgency tactics that are commonly used to encourage impulse purchases rather than informed decisions. Looking further, the design of PestPro Pest Repeller appears very similar to generic ultrasonic repellers that are widely sold online under different brand names, often at significantly lower prices. Reviews of comparable products are mixed, with many customers reporting little to no noticeable improvement in pest problems. This does not automatically mean PestPro Pest Repeller is a scam, but it does mean its advertising makes promises that go well beyond what current scientific research can confidently support. If you're considering buying it, it's worth approaching those claims with realistic expectations and carefully comparing the available evidence before making a purchase decision.